Hi friends. Yesterday, not today, yesterday I got my Essential Rewards order from Young Living, and I waited 24 hours to open it just to be safe with the coronavirus going around. And so I opened it with scissors and I washed my hands, and I'm just gonna take out the contents, maybe wash my hands again. One thing that I've been doing when I'm receiving boxes right now, deliveries, is spraying it down with one of the boxes down with one of the things that I got in my Essential Rewards order. And that's the Thieves Spray. Well, what I got in my order was the Thieves Essential Rewards kit. And this is such a great price. It was $118. 20 something over wholesale prices, over still that huge discount, 24% off regular prices too. So this is the Thieves Spray. It has 70% alcohol. And so we've been using this nonstop. So I'm glad that I have more. Spraying door handles, like I said, delivery boxes. I did have to get gas yesterday, and you know, I sprayed even the gas handle and stuff and waited a minute, and then got my gas and stuff and the steering wheel, all those things. So, and it smells great. Our boxes never smelled so good. So let me tell you what's in this Thieves kit. So you get some of these. You get 2 Thieves Spray, will last a while, 2 hand sanitizers, and this sanitizer is the best because it's so nourishing, and the smell, I let people borrow it a lot, and they always comment on the smell. It's a slight peppermint smell, and it just feels so soft in your hands, and it has 65% alcohol, so that's good for right now. You also get Thieves Mouthwash, which very strong, very powerful, and all natural ingredients. You can make a throat spray with this, a little bit diluted with water. Feels good if you get sick. It's very strong, so what I've done to get used to it is kind of dilute it before washing my mouth with it. I love Thieves Household Cleaner. You get 2 of these in the kit, and this will last me a year. But there's so much you could do with it. It's so affordable. You just need 1 capful for about 2 cups of water, 2 to 3 cups of water, and it can clean everything. Stronger for tougher stuff, tougher cleaning, more water for glass and mirrors. Perfect for spring cleaning time. I love mixing this with baking soda to make a paste to really fight hard stuck-on grease and grime, for tile, tubs, and the stove, my kitchen sink, all that. So, yay. And cleaning surfaces is so important right now. Yes, and I get 2 Thieves hand soap, and it does come with the pump. This is great. We need to wash our hands for 20 seconds. What I've done is put an very uplifting Bible verse right by all of our sinks, Psalm 91, 1 through 6. You can look that up. And it's just all about God's protection. And then we wash our hands with this. So good old washing your hands is so important. Here's the pumps. And the Thieves kit comes with toothpaste. Actually, I was running out of this. So yay, I got my toothpaste. This is the Aroma Bright. My favorite toothpaste, though, I like this. It's a little bit more, it's a peppermint spearmint taste, which is like what we're used to. But the Thieves whitening toothpaste is amazing. That's the very newest one. And I just feel so clean when I use it. I love it. This is good too, though. Oops. And the other thing I got in my order was I ordered lemon, though, because lemon I just use every day in my water. It's like a natural detox, and it is great for spring cleaning. It gets any stickers off. I use it on the walls for any marks. It gets off so many dirty things, and it's very uplifting. We're all in close quarters. We always need to be happy. And this is definitely uplifting when put in your diffuser. part of the Thieves kit comes with Thieves essential oil. Isn't that great? And 15 milliliter. So this is wonderful. I've been diffusing this and orange. Oh, my light went off. Sorry about that. I've been diffusing this with, I don't think the light's gonna go back on. Funny. Okay, I've been diffusing Thieves essential oil with orange a lot right now at home. Just boost our immune system. And then since I spent over 100, I got Valor essential oil. And this is worth about $40 wholesale. So I'm so thankful for this. I love Valor. It's like my perfume. It gives me a boost of confidence just to do the things that I feel like I can't do or feel overwhelmed or when I'm scared, or it also calms my stress and it's great at bedtime. I love putting it on my wrists, behind my ears. I was going to tell you that if you don't have, or if you're not a member yet of Young Living, you can get almost these same items in a Thieves starter kit. It is a little bit more because you get a little bit more. It's $160, but it retails over $200. I didn't have the exact amount how much it retails, but it's a good deal. You on top of 2 Thieves cleaner, 2 hand soaps, 2 Thieves spray. You get, instead of 2 hand sanitizers, you get 3. You get 1 mouthwash and toothpaste. You'll get Thieves essential oil plus a 5 milliliter of one of my favorite oils, Stress Away. It smells like lime and vanilla. It smells like you're going on vacation. It really helps your stress levels. You get that, and you get Thieves mints, and you get 2 roller tops you can put right on top of the bottle, and you can just roll this on. I put it for sure right on my Stress Away. And like I said, the 3 hand sanitizers added too. So this is a great kit. If you are a Young Living member, I would totally recommend getting on Essential Rewards. It's an auto ship program that you need. You're required to spend $50 a month. Then you get 10% back for the first 3 months of whatever you spend back in product credit. And then after, on the 4th month, you get 20% back. And then after 2 years, you get 25% back. And I have bought so much for free with my points. On top of that, you also get free oils. And when you want to stock up a little bit more, like I did this month, I got free Valor. And there's different tiers of different freebies. There's always an oil, a supplement, of some kind of great practical thing that you would need. So the good thing is, even if you just wanted to join Essential Rewards for 1 month, because you can cancel whenever you want, you can get this Thieves kit and be supplied with the essentials for spring cleaning and just having a clean home. Let me know if you have questions, and if you want to get started and grab a kit, let me know. All right, thanks for watching.